Chapter 17. Sources of Water. In this chapter, you will learn about sources of water, water purification, water conservation. Factoid. Water is circulated on our planet in a cycle called the hydrological cycle. Water is one of the most important substances on Earth. All plants and animals need water to survive. Had there been no water, there would be no life on Earth. Apart from drinking, people use water for many purposes. These include cooking, washing clothes, recreation such as rafting, water games, etc., bathing, keeping houses and communities clean. Sources of water. Let us study about different sources of water. Rain. It is the main source of water on Earth. It is helpful in raising the levels of underground water and several water bodies. Inland waters. Inland waters include all the sources of water within the land boundaries. It includes the natural as well as man-made sources of water. Natural water sources. It includes rivers, lakes, streams, and underground water. Rivers may be snow-fed or rain-fed. Lakes and ponds usually have stagnant water in them. Wells. Hand pumps and tube wells are used to take out underground water. In some hilly areas, underground water comes out in the form of springs. Man-made water resources. Dams, reservoirs and canals are some of the man-made water resources. Dams are made on rivers to check the flow of water. The water gets collected behind the dams in the form of huge reservoirs. Water from rivers are sent to agricultural areas by digging canals. Do you know? Sea is a large water body with salty water. Therefore, it cannot be used directly for drinking, but it is used to extract salt. Dams are helpful in producing electricity. Electricity, which is produced from water, is called hydroelectricity. Rivers like Ganga and Yamuna are snow-fed rivers as they get water from the melting of snow on mountains, so they carry water throughout the year. Rivers like Godavari and Krishna are rain-fed rivers as they get water from rainfall. They carry water only during rainy season and remain dry during summer season. Water purification. It is important that the water which people drink should be clean, free of germs and chemicals. The water that is safe for drinking is called potable water. In our houses, we get water from taps. In taps, water is supplied by the public water supply system. This water is purified in a water purification plant before supplied to houses. Let us understand the whole process. Water purification in plant. Water treatment plants carry out the purification of water in 3 steps as given below. Sedimentation. Firstly, water is left to stand in large tanks. This settles down the sand, mud and dust particles. Filtration. This water is then passed on to filter beds, which is helpful in removing the remaining dirt particles. Chlorination. At the final stage, chlorine gas is passed through the filtered water. This completely cleans the water and makes it germ-free. This water is sent to the overhead storage tanks from where it is supplied through pipelines and we get clean water from taps. Water purification in house. Sometimes the pipelines get damaged and we get muddy water from taps. This water is not safe to drink or may cause waterborne diseases like jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, etc. To make it fit for drinking, we use water purifiers of various companies like Eureka Forbes, Kent, etc. Water conservation. We all know that fresh water is limited and our need for water is increasing day by day. So we should make efforts not to waste even a single drop of water and try to conserve it. To conserve or save water, we should do the following. Do not keep the tap water running unnecessarily. Get leaking faucets and pipes repaired immediately. Check the usage of water in kitchens and toilets. Water the lawn or garden only when required. Install water meters to check the usage of water. Limelight. People who do not have filters or purifiers to clean the water may boil it before drinking. This kills the germs and is known as the most recommended technique of purification. Keywords. Water body, a body of water forming a physiological feature. Reservoir, a large natural or artificial lake used as a source of water supply.